In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Facebook Marketplace not available to you, 2026, step by step. If you open Facebook and see that Marketplace isn't available to you, don't worry. I'll walk you through what causes this and exactly how to fix it, using only the tools built into Facebook. First, understand why Marketplace might be hidden or blocked. Facebook withholds access if the account owner is under 18, if the account is brand new or has been inactive for a long time, if there are policy violations or restrictions, if Marketplace isn't supported in your region, or if Facebook detects suspicious activity such as VPN use or spam-like behavior. Knowing which of these applies to you will help you choose the right fix. Next, check your account status inside Facebook. Open the menu, go to Help and Support, then open Support Inbox or Account Status. Look specifically for any notices about Marketplace. If there's a restriction, you'll see the reason, and in many cases, what you can do about it. If you see an option to request a review, use it. Open Marketplace, tap Request Review, and submit a short, polite appeal. For example, you can write, "Hi Facebook team, I believe my Marketplace access was restricted by mistake. I follow all policies and only post legitimate items. I kindly request a review. Thank you." Keep it concise and honest. After you submit, wait for Facebook's decision. Reviews commonly take 24 to 72 hours, but it can be longer depending on the case. During this time, avoid making rapid changes or resubmitting multiple times. That won't speed things up. While you wait, and going forward, align your account behavior with Marketplace rules. Don't post too many listings at once. Use real photos and accurate, honest descriptions. Avoid sending the same message to lots of people, and stay active naturally by liking, commenting, and posting as you normally would. If you're using a VPN, turn it off. Marketplace may be blocked when Facebook detects unusual location patterns. Try to log in from a stable location and avoid switching devices too often. Keep your app healthy. Update the Facebook app to the latest version. Log out and back in, and on Android, clear the app cache. You can also test on another device to rule out a device-specific glitch. For new accounts, build trust first. Add a few friends, post regularly, and engage with content. Marketplace access often appears after a few days of normal activity. If you're permanently blocked, consider selling through a Facebook page or start a new account carefully and avoid the behaviors that triggered the block. Follow Marketplace policies to protect your access.